Our project is utilizing radiofrequency to weld meniscus tissue together, as opposed to current practices that sew the tissue. So suturing the meniscus together, since it's made of fibers, can lead to further damage to the meniscus, which is why we look to fuse the meniscus together.
A lot of surgeons equate the meniscus to like trying to sew a piece of tissue paper together, and so sometimes other practices involve removing the meniscus, and that leads to some negative health implications, whereas our technology would keep the entire meniscus in your body.
So our research is based on trying to find the best combination of voltage, frequency, time, and pressure that will be able to facilitate the fusion of the meniscus.
So the great thing about being in the BME M.Eng program and working right here in Dr. Benasser's lab is that we get paired with a sponsor so that we're gaining real-world experience of what it's like to work in industry.
Our project continues next semester when another M.Eng student comes in to continue our research and develop a device in the future. After graduation, I'll be working at Windrose Consulting Group as an analyst.
I'll be working at Brigham and Women's Hospital in Boston as a research associate.
My future is currently undecided, but I'm fielding multiple offers in the medical device industry.